Sophie, this is Sophie's room. She has her bed like this, and then she has her makeup area. And then there's Millie and Sophie with a little TV. They're getting ready to watch a movie. What are you doing, Sophie?
I'm trying to show her my purple hair.
What?
Here's my purple hair with braids.
I'll put it on.
And it's a hairband. I need help.
She's wearing pajamas. Millie, what movie did you put?
Pocahontas.
Oh, you're watching Pocahontas?
Yes.
Okay, they have 2 bean bags. And you want to close the blinds?
Yeah.
So it's dark? Okay, close them.
Did you show them outside?
Yes, isn't it pretty? You can't even, I don't know if you can see. Yep. We didn't have school on Tuesday, yay! Okay, Sophie, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
See you later. Alligator. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile.